Getting the download failed error on WhatsApp when trying to save photos on your iPhone? Well, don't worry. In this advanced video, I'll show you how you can solve the download failed error and save photos on WhatsApp using your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try turning airplane mode on and off. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Enable Save to Photos. First, open up the WhatsApp app. Tap on the settings icon below. After that, tap Chats. Now simply toggle on the Save to Photos. Solution 2. Allow photo access. Open up the Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. Now find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap Photos. Select Full Access. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you don't find the WhatsApp here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app once again. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone storage. Remove unwanted files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap Delete App. Finally, tap Delete App again. Hope your download failed error on your iPhone when using WhatsApp is solved. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.